Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel and I hope you all are doing great. So guys, in this working video, I'm going to show you the beautiful admin dashboard template, totally free and fully responsive. So friend, before showing you working demo and code, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest updates. So friends, here we go. So guys, see, here is the beautiful admin dashboard template in React.js latest version. See the toggle sidebar and beautiful menu navigation, top search, user toggle notification, user toggle as well. And guys, see the beautiful content section, top large image, beautiful chart cards, main graph section. See friends, just brilliant. See friends, toggle and the login and register page as well. See guys, the register page and the login page as well. And the typography have been used, the colors combination, shadows. See guys, the sample page. With this page you can add or make your own pages as well. Now friends, it's fully responsive. And guys, like always, I will share the course snippet link inside this video description. See guys, fully responsive. Will work for all the devices. And guys, I was saying I will share the course snippet link inside this video description. Yes, also after download the fully code snippets, you just need to run two commands. First npm install and then npm start. Then you will see this dashboard on your screen as well, guys. And if you will have any kind of query, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, you can contact me via my blog. Here's my contact us page. In this page, you will get my email ID, my Skype ID, my WhatsApp number, and my Upwork ID as well. Guys, feel free to contact me any kind of work at any time. Guys, also you will get the multiple free admin dashboards on my blog as well. See, there are many in Angular, Vue.js as well, and multiple free e-commerce templates as well. See, friends. So, guys, this is it. And after it, I will come with more free stuff. And in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.